some much needed money will soon be hitting the bank accounts of struggling Americans. The House passing a massive $1.9 trillion COVID relief bill. It includes $1,400 direct payments for most Americans who qualify, as well as jobless benefits and money for schools. Meanwhile, the IRS says they're turning their attention to tax season, and we're seeing questions about whether stimulus money is still on the table for those who didn't initially qualify for the first two rounds. Liza Lucas verifies.
Tax season is in full swing, and online you may have seen the tweets and talk from people getting a stimulus check after filing their taxes. Let's verify, is it true you can retroactively qualify for stimulus payments based on your 2020 tax return? Our sources, the Internal Revenue Service and financial expert Andrew Poulos. The short answer is yes, some people may be eligible for extra money, but it's a little complicated. Let's recap. The IRS says the majority of stimulus payments were sent successfully based on 2018 and 2019 returns. But they admit some people may have fallen through the cracks or got the wrong amount. According to the IRS, if you did not qualify for either the first round of checks or the second round, you may still be eligible for stimulus funds via the Recovery Rebate Credit based on your 2020 tax return. So how do you know if you qualify? The IRS lists a few scenarios, like if your income dropped. Maybe you lost your job in 2020 or had a salary cut that means you now meet the income threshold. Or those who were claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return in 2018 or 2019, but were not in 2020, may now also be eligible.
In some situations, you still may not get the full amount depending on your income. So it's all income driven, and it's going to be a case-by-case basis.
According to the IRS, you have to file a 2020 return to claim it, even if you don't usually file a tax return.
We have some individuals who are retirees who don't have a reason to file because they don't have a filing requirement. They may not have gotten a stimulus payment for issues such as there's no income tax return in the system for the IRS to find them. They still should file so they can be able to get that recovery rebate credit.
So yes, we can verify some people may still retroactively get stimulus money when filing their 2020 tax return. Again, there are a lot of specifics for eligibility, so experts say do your research and be sure to look for the recovery rebate credit on line 30 of your 2020 return. Have a question for us to verify? Send us an email at verify@11alive.com.